How to view and cancel sent friend request on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can cancel all of your sent friend requests on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you know that you might have sent many friend requests to many people over the years. You've since opened up your Facebook account. Many people have not responded to your Facebook request and it's quite embarrassing for you. And now you decided that you want to cancel and find all those requests. How do you absolutely do that? Well, to do this, all you have to do is first of all launch the Facebook application. You can repeat the process from your iOS device as well. You simply want to navigate. Normally the friends icon is going to be at the top of the navigation menu, but because of your frequent usage it could have been shifted to somewhere else. To find it, tap the three lines icon. In the shortcuts tab you'll find a friends section. Just tap on friends. When you tap on friends, by default you'll see all of the friend requests that you received, right? But in order to find the ones that you've sent, first of all you want to simply tap on the see all button, which you see on the right hand side. As you tap on the see all, you'll be able to see all the friend requests that you've basically received. But to find the ones and sort them according to the ones that you've sent, if you look closely at the very top right hand side, you'll locate those horizontal three dots icon. You want to make sure to tap the three dots icon here, and at the very bottom you'll see a little pop-up that says view sent request, which is exactly what we're looking for. So you want to just tap on the view sent request option. As and when you do that, you'll be able to see all of the sent friend requests, and then you'll be able to cancel them accordingly. In my case, I don't have any sent friend requests. I've canceled them all. If you want though, you can do that as well. And that is it for today's video on how you can cancel your sent friend request on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.